On another Bronco, and this part of this Bronco is fitting all of the metal pieces. So much of this Bronco was rusted out and we had to replace parts. Mark made this piece right here to fit in to change the pitch of this panel right here so it's easier to work with and we can get air conditioning underneath it. But you can see inside there's been a whole lot of work done here. We've had to brace up the interior. We put in floors, we put in a dash, brace. When you get over here, you can see we put in the rocker. And now the next thing we're doing is trying to get all these parts to go together because it just isn't a bolt-on situation. Things have to be made so that it fits properly. And right now we're working on a door. And one of the things that I don't like about Bronco hinges is they are loose. They have a lot of play in them, which makes it difficult for you to align your door. And you can see this one has some up and down play, which makes it hard for it to line up properly. But what we want that door to do is to fit evenly here and up here, and we want it to fit this part right here. So today we found out that the door sticks out further here than this quarter panel or rear fender, so we've split it. See right there? We've actually cut that out and we're going to spread it out and re-weld it so when the door closes, everything will be on the same plane. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. If you want to see more of our work,